Hi, welcome back to my channel. On a cold day, don't you just crave a delicious chili? Well, stick around and I'll give you my recipe for a one-pot chili. The ingredients that you're going to need are a cup of water, one 14.5-ounce can of Hunt's or any diced tomatoes, but we use Hunt's, 2 cans of the 15-ounce ranch style beans, garlic salt, onion powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, and cumin, ground cumin, as well as a cup of diced onions and 2 pounds of ground beef. And I've asked my husband to come prep for me while I film, and he's going to show you the steps that you take. You get the chili powder and you just sprinkle a nice generous amount over all the meat. Then you get the onion powder and sprinkle a generous amount over all the meat. Then you get garlic salt and do a light layer over all the meat. Then the cayenne pepper, a light layer of it on top of all the meat. You can add more if you like things a little hotter. And then now he's sprinkling a light layer of cumin over it. Some people say cumin, we say cumin. And then you massage it all in, get it all mixed around the meat. This makes the meat really flavorful and makes your chili have a great chili taste. Once you get the meat all nice and massaged, then you're going to place it into a Dutch oven. Just like that. Okay, and then you're going to come over here, you're going to light up the stove to medium heat. Now, after you've washed your hands, get a spatula and just break up the meat in little bitty pieces, like if you were just making chopped ground beef, just like you would if you were making anything. You're going to chop it up till it heats. Once you get the meat chopped up, you want to add the onion and cook it with the ground beef. The heat a little, just to get it to brown a little bit quicker. You can see the color in there is all those seasonings that you've added.
I'll let that cook for a second.
You see it's starting to brown. Looking good. And the onions are cooking, the meat's cooking, all the seasonings are mixing. Looks really good. Okay, you're gonna cook the meat. That's got a nice brown to it. And if you like your chili, the meat in your chili more chunky, you're welcome to do that. Or you can do it real fine like this. Either way, it's gonna be real delicious. Okay, you can see now, it's been about 5-10 minutes and it's finally starting to brown all over. As you can see, no more pink in there. That's just the way you want it. Then, as soon as everything's brown, you're going to drain all the fat out. You can see the fat coming. See, our cat says it smells delicious. Okay, all the grease that's drained off. My husband is soaking up with a paper towel. You just want to soak up the excess grease. You don't want to squeeze it out of the meat because then you'll get some of the seasonings. But the excess grease, you want to just drain up.
Careful not to burn.
Yeah, be careful not to burn yourself, he says. Alright, so now we're going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. The first thing he's going to add is the can of diced tomatoes. Just pour it straight in there. Don't drain it or anything. Then add...
This says to drain these. But usually I
I don't, yeah. Then add the 2 cans of range style beans. You don't drain them either. Just both of them straight in there.
I want to put down that one. I'm on low fire right now.
Oh, he said, tell you that he's turned the fire down to low for right now. The meat is already done cooking. And then add, what? Oh, he wants to stir that up before he adds the water. Okay, now add the cup of water. And mix it up real good. Then after you get everything mixed up, you're going to put the lid on it. And then you're going to keep the fire on low. And you're going to let it just sit for at least an hour. The longer you let it sit, if you let it sit like 2 hours or 3 hours, just come periodically, like every 20 minutes and stir it so it doesn't burn on the sides. And then we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. When you come check it, every 20 minutes, just kind of look and see how much water is still in there. You may have to add more water if it's looking too dry. It's just to make sure that you have lots of liquid in there. But don't add too much water. Just make sure that it looks like this. Okay, when you're ready to eat, stir it up. one last time. Okay, and then we like to eat ours like Frito pie. So, there's some Fritos in a bowl. And then pour the chili right over that. And then throw some cheese on top. And then you got a delicious Frito pie. Yum. I'll post the recipe down in the description box for you if you would like to follow this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.